In 2025, high-end handguns blend concealability, capacity, and performance like never before. Whether you're a first-timer or seasoned pro, from the cutting-edge SIG P365 X Macro Comp to the classic 45 ACP Springfield TRP, these top picks offer unrivaled reliability, precision, and everyday carry readiness. One. SIG Sauer P365 X Macro Compensated. The SIG Sauer P365 X Macro Compensated is widely considered the pinnacle of micro-compact concealed carry pistols in 2025. Blending high capacity, soft recoil, and a slim frame, it's engineered for both everyday carry and high-performance defensive use. What sets the X Macro apart is its integrated compensator built directly into the slide. This feature effectively reduces muzzle rise and felt recoil, enabling faster, more accurate follow-up shots. Combined with a 3.7-inch barrel, the pistol maintains concealability while offering exceptional shootability. Perhaps most impressive is the capacity: 17+1 rounds of 9mm, packed into a frame that's thinner than most double-stack pistols. This gives you full-size firepower in a compact profile, eliminating the usual compromise between size and capacity. The P365 X Macro comes optics-ready with a built-in Romeo 0 Elite red dot compatibility, and the updated X Series grip module features a flared magwell and interchangeable backstraps for personalized ergonomics. SIG Sauer's reputation for reliability and innovation is fully realized in the X Macro. It's ideal for concealed carriers who demand premium performance without sacrificing comfort or control. In short, the P365 X Macro Compensated isn't just another pistol. It's a forward-thinking platform redefining what micro-compacts can do. 2. Springfield Armory TRP 1911. The Springfield Armory TRP 1911 is a high-end, semi-automatic pistol that blends the classic design of the M1911 with modern enhancements for superior performance. Known for its craftsmanship and precision, the TRP, Tactical Response Pistol, is built to deliver exceptional reliability and accuracy, making it a favorite among both law enforcement and civilian enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the TRP 1911 is its stainless steel frame, which offers enhanced durability and resistance to corrosion, making it ideal for everyday carry or tactical use. The match-grade barrel and bushing are meticulously fitted for tight tolerances, ensuring consistent shot placement. The pistol's front and rear serrations provide a firm grip for quick and efficient slide manipulation, especially in stressful conditions. The TRP also boasts an enhanced trigger system with a crisp, clean break, ensuring precise control and accuracy. Its G10 grip panels provide a solid, comfortable hold, while the checkered front strap helps prevent slippage during firing. A tactical rail allows users to attach lights or lasers, further improving its utility in low-light situations. Overall, the Springfield Armory TRP 1911 is a premium handgun that combines traditional design with cutting-edge features, delivering both performance and aesthetics. Whether you're a competitive shooter or a collector, it offers a versatile, reliable option for various uses. 3. Heckler & Koch VP9. The Heckler & Koch VP9 is a modern, polymer-framed, striker-fired pistol known for its superior ergonomics, precision engineering, and reliability. Introduced in 2014, the VP9 quickly gained popularity among law enforcement agencies and civilian gun enthusiasts for its combination of performance, customization, and comfort. It's often regarded as one of the best striker-fired pistols on the market. One of the key features of the VP9 is its exceptional ergonomics. The handgun offers an adjustable grip with 3 interchangeable backstraps and 6 side panels, allowing users to tailor the fit to their hand size and preference. This customization ensures a comfortable, secure hold, improving overall control and accuracy during shooting. The VP9's 4.09-inch barrel and precision-engineered slide contribute to excellent accuracy, while its consistent, smooth trigger pull enhances shooting performance. The ambidextrous controls, including the magazine release and slide stop, make it user-friendly for both left and right-handed shooters. Additionally, the pistol is equipped with a highly effective safety system that includes internal safety mechanisms to prevent accidental discharges. The VP9's polymer frame is lightweight yet durable, offering great recoil management and a comfortable shooting experience. It also comes with a Picatinny rail, allowing users to easily attach accessories such as lights or lasers. 4. Glock 19 Gen 5. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is a compact, striker-fired pistol known for its versatility, reliability, and ease of use. It is widely regarded as one of the most popular handguns for both law enforcement and civilian use, offering a perfect balance between concealability and performance. One of the key improvements in the Gen 5 model is the redesigned grip. The finger grooves have been eliminated, allowing for a more customizable fit and better comfort for a wider range of hand sizes. The textured grip surface offers a secure hold, even in challenging conditions. The Glock 19 Gen 5 features the Glock Marksman Barrel, GMB, which enhances accuracy with its precision rifling. Coupled with the smoother Gen 5 trigger and a reduced reset, the pistol offers better control and quicker follow-up shots. Additionally, the Gen 5 includes front slide serrations, making slide manipulation easier, especially when performing one-handed racking. Another notable feature is the NDLC finish, which increases the pistol's resistance to wear and corrosion. The ambidextrous magazine release is also a welcome addition, making the Glock 19 more user-friendly for both left and right-handed shooters. Overall, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is a dependable, accurate, and highly adaptable handgun, ideal for everyday carry, self-defense, and tactical use. 5. Walther Q5 Match Steel Frame. The Walther Q5 Match Steel Frame is a high-performance, competition-ready pistol designed for precision and control. Building on the success of the original Q5 Match, this steel frame variant adds weight and stability, making it ideal for competitive shooters and those seeking an ultra-accurate handgun. The standout feature of the Q5 Match Steel Frame is its all-steel frame, which significantly reduces recoil and muzzle rise compared to lighter polymer frames. This added mass improves stability, allowing for faster follow-up shots and greater accuracy. The frame's textured grip ensures a firm, comfortable hold, even during rapid fire. Equipped with a 5-inch barrel and Walther's renowned steel match sights, the Q5 Match Steel Frame excels in accuracy. The factory-installed adjustable rear sight and front fiber optic sight provide quick target acquisition, even in low-light conditions. The match-grade trigger is crisp and smooth, with a short reset that enhances shooting performance. The pistol also features an ambidextrous magazine release and is optics-ready, allowing shooters to easily mount a red dot sight for enhanced targeting precision. Whether for competition or personal use, the Walther Q5 Match Steel Frame delivers exceptional performance, making it a top choice for those who demand the best in accuracy, handling, and build quality. 6. Beretta 92 X Performance. The Beretta 92 X Performance is a top-tier, competition-oriented pistol that combines Beretta's legendary reliability with cutting-edge design features. Aimed at serious competitors and tactical enthusiasts, it is designed for those who demand precision, ergonomics, and durability in their firearms. One of the standout features of the 92X Performance is its stainless steel frame, which offers excellent balance and reduces recoil, providing superior control during rapid fire. The frame also incorporates a beveled magazine well, allowing for faster, more efficient reloads in high-pressure environments. The match-grade trigger system is another highlight, offering a smooth, crisp pull with a short reset for faster follow-up shots. The pistol's Vertex-style grip is highly ergonomic, providing a comfortable and natural point of aim, and is designed to reduce felt recoil. This makes the 92X performance highly controllable, even during extended shooting sessions. The pistol comes equipped with adjustable sights, including a competition-specific rear sight and front sight that are optimized for rapid target acquisition. Additionally, the 92X performance is optics-ready, giving users the option to mount red dot sights for precision shooting. With its blend of performance, accuracy, and premium construction, the Beretta 92X Performance is a standout choice for competitive shooters looking for a reliable and highly customizable handgun. 7. FN Herstal FNX45 Tactical. The FN Herstal FNX45 Tactical is a rugged, high-performance semi-automatic pistol designed for tactical and precision shooting. Known for its versatility, this full-sized handgun is chambered in 45 ACP and is ideal for both military, law enforcement, and civilian use, particularly in situations that demand accuracy and reliability. One of the key features of the FNX45 Tactical is its integrated threaded barrel, making it suppressor-ready right out of the box. This feature is highly sought after by shooters who require quieter shots in tactical or stealth operations. The pistol's polymer frame is lightweight yet durable, offering excellent recoil management, while the ambidextrous controls, including the safety, slide stop, and magazine release, ensure it is user-friendly for both left and right-handed shooters. The suppressor height iron sights and optics-ready slide make the FNX45 Tactical a perfect platform for mounting red dot sights, enhancing target acquisition, especially in low-light conditions. The double-thong single-action trigger provides versatility in shooting styles, allowing for a smooth, consistent pull with each shot. Additionally, the full-length Picatinny rail allows users to easily attach accessories like lights or lasers, further enhancing its tactical capabilities. With its combination of tactical features, accuracy, and customizable options, the FNX45 Tactical is a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile handgun for duty, defense, or sport shooting. 8. Kimber Micro 9 Raptor. The Kimber Micro 9 Raptor is a compact, single-action pistol chambered in 9mm, combining the classic 1911 design with modern enhancements. Known for its sleek aesthetics and reliable performance, it's an ideal choice for concealed carry and personal defense. One of the standout features of the Micro 9 Raptor is its compact size and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 15.6 ounces, it's easy to carry and conceal, making it perfect for everyday carry, EDC. Despite its small frame, it retains the precision and power of a full-sized 9mm handgun. The aluminum frame and stainless steel slide contribute to its durability, while a textured grip ensures a secure hold. The pistol's match-grade trigger delivers a crisp, consistent pull, making it highly accurate for its size. The custom Raptor-style grips, featuring a distinctive, aggressive pattern, not only enhance the pistol's appearance, but also improve traction and control. The low-profile night sights provide excellent target acquisition in low-light conditions, and the flared magazine well allows for faster reloads. The thumb safety and grip safety add an extra layer of protection, ensuring it can only be fired when intentionally handled. 9. Colt Python 4-inch .357 Magnum. The Colt Python 4-inch .357 Magnum is an iconic revolver known for its precision, smooth action, and classic design. First introduced in 1955 and reintroduced in recent years, the Python has long been revered by both collectors and shooters for its exceptional craftsmanship and performance. The 4-inch barrel is a versatile choice, offering a balance of accuracy and maneuverability, making it suitable for both range shooting and self-defense. One of the standout features of the Colt Python is its double-action revolver mechanism, which provides a smooth, consistent trigger pull in both single and double action modes. The trigger's smoothness and crisp reset have made the Python a favorite among those who appreciate fine revolvers. The stainless steel frame not only adds durability, but also gives the handgun an elegant finish that resists corrosion and wear. Chambered in the powerful .357 Magnum, the Python can handle both Magnum and .38 special rounds, offering versatility in ammunition selection. Its adjustable sights allow for precise aiming, and the full lug barrel contributes to better recoil management, ensuring a controlled shooting experience. With its timeless design, superb accuracy, and legendary smooth trigger, the Colt Python 4-inch .357 Magnum continues to stand out as a symbol of revolver excellence, delivering both performance and aesthetic appeal. 10. Staccato P. The Staccato P is a high-performance, full-sized 1911-style handgun designed for both duty and personal defense. Built by Staccato, a division of Dawson Precision, the Staccato P is renowned for its exceptional accuracy, durability, and ergonomic design. Chambered in 9mm, this pistol combines the time-tested 1911 platform with modern enhancements, making it a favorite among law enforcement, military personnel, and competitive shooters. One of the standout features of the Staccato P is its lightweight aluminum alloy frame, which helps reduce recoil and improve overall handling, without sacrificing the durability required for tactical use. The stainless steel slide is treated with a durable finish, providing resistance to wear and corrosion, even under harsh conditions. The match-grade barrel and precise barrel fit ensure outstanding accuracy and shot placement, while the tuned trigger offers a smooth, crisp pull, making follow-up shots faster and more precise. The Staccato P also features ambidextrous controls, including the safety and magazine release, ensuring it's user-friendly for both left and right-handed shooters. Designed for performance and built to last, the Staccato P includes a grip texture that enhances control and provides a secure hold during rapid fire. Whether for duty use, competition, or self-defense, the Staccato P offers a high level of reliability and performance for any situation. In conclusion, the best high-end handguns for concealed carry in 2025 offer a perfect blend of concealability, capacity, and performance. Whether you prioritize comfort, accuracy, or tactical features, these top picks deliver the reliability and precision needed for everyday carry and self-defense. Choose wisely for unmatched confidence and security.